the one more example, that is example number 2. So in this example, let us find out the value or evaluate the value f. So here evaluate the value of 198 whole square by utilizing or by using identity. So here we are going to utilize the identity, that is identity number 2, a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now the solution starts. So in our solution, we have to find out the value of 198 whole square, but we have to utilize the identity as a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. So to utilize this identity, so here we need a minus b whole square on the left hand side. So here we have to split 198 as two parts, the subtraction of two elements, one as a, the other as b. So here I want to write it as 198 is nearer to the round figure, that is 200. From 200 I am going to subtract 2 in order to get 198, because I have to utilize this identity. So I wrote minus sign in between, that is 200 minus 2 gives us 198, but it must be squared as per the problem. So 198 whole square equals to 200 minus 2 whole square. Then now I can utilize this identity, that is a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A must be replaced by 200 and b must be replaced by 2 in order to get the value of 198 whole square. Then now the next logical step will be of. So here, as per the identity, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here, now we are going to find out the value of 198 whole square, which is nothing but splitted as 200 minus 2, which is 198, but it must be squared. So here that is equals to, before writing the expanded form, that is the a square minus 2ab plus b square, in order to get the value, so I have to compare the terms, that is by comparing the terms of the to be find with the identity, a must be replaced by. So here a must be replaced by means of 200 and b must be replaced by only 2. So here minus sign is minus sign here, so b must be replaced by minus only just 2 and a by means of 200. Now, so the result will be of a square, a is of 200, so 200 whole square minus 2 into a into b, 2 into a value is of 200 again, into b is of 2, plus b square, that is b value is of 2, that is 2 must be squared as per the identity last term. Then now that equals to, or that implies, so here 2 square, 2 must be repeatedly multiplied twice, 2 2s is of 4, there are of 2 zeros doubled, so here we have to write 4 zeros, or in other words 200 must be repeatedly multiplied twice, 200 into 200 is of 40,000, minus 2 2s is of 4, 4 2s is of 8 followed by 2 zeros, or in other words 2 into 200 is of 400, 400 2s is of 800. Then now plus 2 square 2 2s is of 4. So that implies, so here 40,000 is of positive and 4 is also of positive. Then now from this quantity, from this result we have to subtract 800. So first of all I want to add up these two terms. So here both are of positive, plus into plus is of plus. By adding this to 40,000 plus 4 is of 40,000 4. From this 40,004 we have to subtract 800. So in the simplification, from 40,004 we are subtracting 800. So the fundamental operation is of minus, 4 minus 0 is of 4. From here we are borrowing, so here 1, 0 minus 0 is of 0. So if you borrow 1, I say it will become 10, minus 8 is of 2, becomes 9 here, so remains 9. So here 3 is left over, which is nothing but 39,204. So here that implies 39,204 is the value. So here hence the value of 198 whole square is equals to 39,204. So in this manner we got the value of 198 whole square as 39,204. So in the similar manner let us perform one more example, that is example number 3. So in this example number 3, if x plus 1 by x. Since we are performing a minus b whole square, so instead plus, let us take it as, so here minus, so x minus 1 by x as minus 12. So here if x minus 1 by x as minus 12, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So whereas in the given condition, if condition, x minus 1 by x value is given as minus 12, we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Then now the solution starts. In our solution, the condition which is given for us is x minus 1 by x is equals to minus 12. So this is given for us. By utilizing this, we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square. But so in our given condition, that is on the left hand side, x raised to the power of 1 and denominator 1 by x, x raised to the power of 1 is there. The exponents are of 1 and 1 each. But we need x square plus 1 by x square's value. We need x raised to the power of 2. Whereas here x to the power of 1 is given. We need x to the power of 2. So here we have to square on either side. That is x minus 1 must be squared. Similarly, right hand side minus 12 also must be squared. Therefore, so here I am squaring on both sides. Squaring on both the sides. The next logical step will be off. So here x minus 1 by x is on left hand side, it must be squared. Similarly, right hand side, that is minus 12, also must be squared. When we square on either side, the left hand side quantity, that is x minus 1 by x whole square, is in the form now identity as per the identity, that is number 3, that is a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now to expand a minus b whole square, the right hand side, so you will be getting 3 terms, that has a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now comparing, so here a as x and b as 1 by x, by replacing a by means of x and b by means of 1 by x, we can elaborate or we can expand x minus 1 by x whole square by utilizing a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here x minus 1 by x whole square is equals to minus 12 whole square, whereas here by comparing, so here at x is equals to, or at a is equals to x, a must be replaced by means of x and b must be replaced by means of only 1 by x, because minus sign is minus sign here, b must be replaced by only 1 by x. So here by utilizing this condition, we can expand. So that implies x minus 1 by x whole square, a minus b whole square, in its expansion a square. So here a value is of x, that is x whole square minus 2ab. So here 2 into a value is of x into b is of 1 by x, then now plus b square. So b is of 1 by x, it must be squared. So this is the expanded form of x minus 1 by x whole square as per a minus b whole square as a square minus 2ab plus b square. But right hand side, that is equals to minus 12 whole square. So minus 12 must be repeatedly multiplied twice, that is minus 12 into minus 12. So here into in between these 3 terms, so here denominator x and numerator x will be gets cancelled by means of ones, x ones and x ones in the numerator. So that implies, so x square is left over, then now minus, so here 2 ones is 2, then now plus, square is applicable for both numerator and denominator as per the identity a by b whole power m. So here a power m into b power a power m by b power m. So here 1 square is of 1 in the numerator, x square is of x square. So here that is equals to minus of minus is plus, then now 12 12s is of 144. Here we have utilized the identity, that is a by b whole power m, that is 1 by x whole power 2. So here square is applicable for both a 1 and x. In this manner I wrote, I say here 1 square as 1, x square as x square. Here I have utilized a by b whole power m as a power m by b power m. Here m is applied to both numerator and denominator, a power m divided by b power m. So based upon this principle, this identity, I wrote this logical step. Then later, so that implies x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equals to positive 144. I need only x square plus 1 by x square. So here x square plus 1 by x square is written on the left hand side, then that is equals to right hand side quantity is of 144. I want to transpose minus 2 on the other hand. So here minus 2 on the other hand becomes plus 2. So that is equals to 144 plus 2 is nothing but 146. So in this manner, so I got, so here therefore x square plus 1 by x square value is of 146.